This flower bed has been changed 3 times this year. So in the spring, before everything woke up, I actually added some macrophylla hydrangeas. But then I decided it was too cramped up, it was too full, it didn't have room to breathe, and all the perennials started coming up. I just didn't like it. So I took out the 4 hydrangeas and I planted it in a different flower bed. Now, over here I have spring interest, I have summer interest, and I'm trying to add some fall interest by adding more anemones. The Japanese anemones, I actually have planted 3 before, only one keeps coming back. The other 2, even though are the same varieties, didn't make it. I purchased 2 more this year. These are more established, and I'm gonna give it a try again. I'm planting them in a different spot. So hopefully this time actually works. The one I have planted already is Sweetly in Love Anemones from Proven Winner. I believe it grows about 2 by 2 feet tall and wide. The ones that I'm adding now, the Pocahontas will grow 18 to 24 inches tall and about 18 inches wide. And the other one, the name escaped me, but I'm gonna put her in the screen. I'm gonna show you both tags. The other one grows 18 by 18. So I think it's gonna be a nice clump and layered. The Pocahontas one says it flowers in the summer, so I don't think it's gonna flower this year. It's probably gonna be next year. But the other one that I planted, it will flower in the fall. It's actually budded up, looking pretty nice. And I'm putting it right here in the middle of the flower bed and right in front of one of the butterfly bushes. Well, guys, I forgot to add some fertilizer to the roots. So I am gonna sprinkle it now and scratch it a little bit and then water the plants to make it work. But yeah, that's how my mind functions these days. These are the tags. This one is the anemone hybrid fantasy jasmine. You see the buds? I hope you can see it. And this is the one from Proven Winner, Sweetly in Love Anemone. And they are about to open. I love them. I really like anemone. And this one is the Pocahontas. It grows, I believe, 16 to 18 inches tall and about 24 inches wide. But again, I don't see any buds. I think this flowers in the summer because it says it flowers from May to July or something like that. I think it's gonna look really nice when the three plants are grown and you can see the big block with the same flowers in there and the same leaf structures. All I have left to do right now is just to the head this Verbena bonariensis. It's not necessary, I just want to do it. And that's it. I'm done for today. This is all I have. I hope I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.